Introduction to PHP. What is PHP? PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessors. It is a server-side scripting language mainly used for creating dynamic and interactive websites. When a user opens a website, PHP code runs on the server, processes the logic, and then sends the final HTML output to the user's browser. Because P runs on the server, the actual source code is never visible to users, making it secure and reliable.